This doesn't feel right. Tommy, I'm not sure about this.
Why?
I don't know. It's just, I don't know, it just feels wrong.
Okay.
I feel like I'm gonna go talk with Tubbo, I think I want to...
Yeah, no, me, you, and Tubbo, let's go Dream Team server. Let's go
Well, no,
general.
I'm gonna point him on his own. I don't... You know? I feel like I'm on Tubbo's side with this. I don't like the idea of this church.
Good morning, Tommy.
You've put me in a dilemma.
Well, it's just, I don't know.
Can I not be in both? I mean, surely I'm allowed to have my individual things.
Dude, I don't care what you do. I'm just saying, it just feels wrong.
I really wish he'd... Uh-oh. Wilbur, I've had an idea.
Yeah. Your idea is.
Pardon?
I can see your idea.
do I run him over?
Yeah, do it.
But it's in the Holy Land. He'll be very upset.
Just fuck the Holy Land.
But I might get demoted from my position.
Who cares? Do it.
Oh, God! Uh-oh. Accident. Sorry. My bad.